That's a tiger. Hi everyone. So we're setting off today. We're going to my gig in Skegness, Golden Sands. Ben's taking me today because my speakers are getting a little bit heavy now. I'm getting a bit further on, so he's helping me, bless him. So yeah, I will let you know when we're there and we'll catch up then. Getting set up. We found a little beach which was real nice. It was actually our 5-year anniversary yesterday. We didn't actually do anything for it, so it was actually really nice just to spend some time together. I don't know if you can hear me because there's a speaker right above me. He's so loud.
Having the foggiest where we're going.
Morning everyone, how is everyone? I'm sorry, I'm really husky this morning. Just from the weekend of gigs, I'm like, I sound a little bit like Barry White. So if you're like, I'm wondering why my voice has changed. Yeah, I haven't put a voice changer on. I'm just really tired, but I'm okay, I'm good. Yeah, it's been weird this morning waking up without Jacob. I'm usually battling, I mean, to be fair, I don't put my makeup on this early just because it's no point. I mean, there's no point. He literally just steals it all. So I usually wait until he's having his breakfast and he's happy and things like that. Because he's a very late breakfast person. He doesn't like to eat in the morning. He likes to sit there on the sofa with his Tinky Winky teddy and just watch CVBs. So yeah, I will catch up with you throughout the day. You got some tomato sauce on your chin. Did you have a nice time?
It was good, yeah. It's been really nice. In fact, I'm back.
Dip your sausage in it, or get your beans like that.
Hi everyone, so we're just on the way to Hornsey. Jacob's asleep. We've just had some breakfast. Ben's mad because he's waiting to overtake a cyclist. And yeah, hopefully it should be a nice day. It's absolutely boiling, so yeah, we'll see when we get there. Would you say your road rage is worse than mine then? No. I've got pretty bad road rage. Yeah. I'm so glad I didn't film that. That was not family friendly. please excuse my face. My makeup has just absolutely sweated off. Jacob, say hi.
Hi.
It's been so warm today. We went to the beach, didn't we? What did we do at the beach? Did we go and play in the sea? We did, didn't we? Oh, you said it was a bit scary.
Mommy.
Yeah, Mummy.
Daddy.
And Daddy went in the sea and Mummy went in the sea. Yeah. So I've decided to work tonight. Bank holiday weekend, it is the busiest time for my sort of job. So yeah, it's not a late one, thank goodness, and it's actually near my hometown, so it's not too bad. All dressed, ready for number 3. Gig number 3. Hi guys, hope you're okay. I've just got to my gig. I left the boys watching football, so they were very, very happy. Yeah, so I got cut off before, but it's not a late one tonight, so that's good. So yeah, it should be nice. It should be a nice night. I did want to chill, I will admit, but never mind. To be honest, the boys are watching football, like I say, so I would have probably just done some editing or something anyway, which I'm already doing now. So yeah, I will try and catch up with you tonight, but if I don't, I will see you tomorrow. Good morning everyone, hope we're all okay. I hope you've had a lovely bank holiday. It's now bank holiday Monday, so it's the last day and then all back to normal tomorrow. For me, it's my day off tomorrow, so I'm enjoying it. Jacob's at nursery all day. And to be honest, it's really boring stuff. I usually just do the washing, or I've got the food shop to get tomorrow, yeah. So, yeah, not much for me tomorrow, but that's good. I'm happy with that. Yeah, so Jacob's at nursery, he loves nursery. But today, we are going to go to a trampoline park in Hull. It's called Rebound. So they have like a toddler morning on a Monday and a Friday. And it's really, really nice. And they usually get a character out as well, like Minnie Mouse or a rhino or something like that. So Jacob absolutely loves it. I'll put a video on here next when he met the rhino. He was so happy. This was like the last time we went to Rebound. So you'll see that now. So yeah, today we're really excited. So hopefully we'll get some good footage. And yeah, I think we're going to go to B&M as well. Depending on what we get from B&M, I'll do a little haul, but I'm not actually sure what we're going to get. So yeah, see you soon.
It's called double bouncing and is strictly not allowed. Double bouncing can cause serious injury by bouncing someone else higher or affecting their landing.
We've just moved into this house, you see, so we've actually got not much furniture. So we're building it up little by little. So this is the cabinet we've bought. We bought one of them and one of them. Ignore the wall, we're repainting it as well. Yeah, so I thought that was really good. They were £20 each, and I thought that was actually really, really good, because we don't actually know what colour we want to go with yet. So we don't want to commit to buying, I don't know, like pine or something like that when we could decide on colour and it won't go. So, but we needed something because it was just driving us crazy just having moving boxes and living out of them. So that was really good for £20 each. Absolutely amazing. I think they're great for a bedroom as well. Yeah, really good. So this was another thing we bought. This was £2 in the clearance. I'm a massive bargain hunter. I really am. And I just thought, I mean, I know it's a bit random, but I thought that was so cute. For £2, I was like, yep, having that. I don't even know if it's going to live there yet, but £2, you can't go wrong. And then I got this, and I just thought that is beautiful. It's a candle, and it was £4, I think, which is actually more than what I would normally pay for a candle, if I'm honest. But the thing that won me, how cool's that? I was like, oh my goodness, having that. So yeah, I thought that was an absolutely cute little purchase as well. But yeah, my ring light doesn't light up, by the way. That isn't my funky lamp. I'm actually going to get a lamp tomorrow from Argos. So yeah, but no, I thought that was really cute. Then last but not least, we got these little wall stickers for Jacob. We're still in the middle of obviously doing his room with us just moving in. So I'm just picking like little bits up here and there. It's not going to be like a themed room or anything, but he's got like so many different coloured walls that's already been painted before we moved here. And I actually really like it. I think that's the only room I'm not going to paint because it's perfect for such, for a little boy. I think one wall's orange, one wall's blue, and I just think colours are such a good thing, especially when they get to toddlers. I just think it's brilliant, so I'm leaving it as is. So yeah, I think we're going to have like minions on some wall, and then we're going to have like he loves trucks and tractors and things like that, so we're going to have that on another wall. And yeah, he's got a couple of posters and things like that as well, like number posters and alphabet posters, what I'm going to put up. But obviously once the living room's done, once Jacob's room's done, everything's done, I will do like a house tour and things like that. But at this moment, there's no point doing a house tour. Our garage is full to the brim of just boxes, moving boxes, everything. So yeah, as soon as we've done that and it looks nice and it's all painted and furniture's in, then I would definitely do a house tour. So yeah, these were great. These were £2.49, and I just think they're going to look really cute on as well. He absolutely loves them. He loves them. So yeah, really, really good buy. If you've got a, I don't know, construction themed room for your little one. Hi. Oh my God, this heat. Woo! So, final gig of the weekend. Just a disclaimer, if you're wondering why I've worn the same dress for like every single gig, don't worry, I have washed and dried it, but I'm very, very limited what I'm wearing at the minute. I've honestly, I've got no dresses. I've grown out of all my stage dresses. They just do not work for me anymore. With me being 6 months pregnant, nearly 7 months. So that is on my to-do list tomorrow, to do a shopping list. Not to do a shopping list, sorry, to actually buy some more stage dresses. Because I've literally got this one and a sparkly one, which you haven't actually seen, but I wear that usually for my second set. But yeah, I've got a sparkly one and this one. So yeah, just in case you was wondering, I have washed it. Hi, I'm here. Oh, I'm actually sweating. Oh my God, that was crazy. If you've ever drove in Skegness, whoo, swear down, cars come out of nowhere. That was so stressful. Anyway, I'm here. I parked like 10-minute walk away because I couldn't actually find anywhere to park outside the venue. So I just walked for 10 minutes and I just can't even breathe. I'm like, my stage tonight. Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. So I've just finished my gig and I'm just about to set off home. I've been naughty and got a McDonald's, and I've been even naughtier and I've got a latte. I know you're not supposed to have them when you're pregnant, and I never ever do, honestly, I never do. I drink decaf coffee and that's it. I drink tea now and again, but that's it. But oh my goodness, a 2-hour drive, I couldn't imagine doing it without a coffee, if I'm honest. So yeah, please subscribe and thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.